Hi people, today I'm here with another very informative book from Marksman, our yearly edition of current affairs for 2021, and I'm going to cover the same in this very video. So as usual, starting from the cover of the book, which says yearly 2021, 1 January to 30 November 2020. On the top right corner of the book, then it says Marksman Current Affairs, which is the name of the book. Coming a little down, it states that the book is useful for various competitive examinations like UPSC, State PCS, SSC, UK Police, UP Police, MP Police, and so on. Moreover, I would like to add this that current affairs are anyways very useful in order to keep you up to date with the current picture of the world around you. So coming back to the cover of the book, here you can find this QR code to get a free one-liner current affairs. I'm going to come on that. We'll cover that after I'm done with taking you through the book. Now coming to the content of the book, you can also get the QR code here as well. Coming to the content of the book, what all topics are covered in this book. Here's the list. So first one is India 2021. Here we cover some important topics like various information about how India went through various months of 2020, and then smart facts about India, state, union territories, and so on. Second topic is national symbols, where you can cover topics like national anthem, song, flower, and so on. Third topic is union government, ministries and departments, where you are going to cover ministries and departments. After that, fourth topic is current who is who, about information about Indian government, judicial heads, election commissions, and so on. After that, the fifth one is national and international awards. Here you are going to cover various awards and prizes. After that, sixth topic is national and international sports. Various sports have been covered over here. Seventh topic is national and international days. Important days are covered over there. Eighth topic is international organizations. Ninth is abbreviation, and 10th is census 2011. After that, we are going to cover some topics from banking, bank rates, nationalized banks, and so on. After that, 12th topic is government schemes, 13th is union budget, and 14th is national and international news. After that, over here under 15th topic, current objective questions, you can cover all the questions from various months, all the current affairs from various months from January to November 2020. Here you are going to cover 100 to 150 questions from every month. After that, again there's this QR code. As I mentioned, I'm going to mention about cover this topic at the end of the book. So I'm going to give you a quick glance of how the book is like. For example, for the first topic, India 2021, here you are going to cover all the facts and about the India government, like the country name, government type, and so on. After that, there is second, national symbols, where you are going to cover all the national symbols, national flower, national river, and so on. Moving on, I am going to take you quickly to the current objective questions, which is page number 96. Okay, so here are the set of questions. As I said, month wise, here is for January 2020, and you can see it goes up to here. At the end, you are also provided with the answers for the same. Then the month of February 2020 is covered over here. Similarly, at the end you are provided with the answer sheet for the same. Okay, so from January to November, all the questions have been covered over here in this particular topic. Now coming to the current one-liner current affairs, I'm gonna show you how exactly you can use this scan code over here in order to avail this one-liner current affairs. All you need a scanner like this one I have in my phone. You need to scan this QR code from here, and you will be directed to this PDF page. See, this is how the PDF looks like. I am going to zoom it a little bit. Yeah, like this. And here are the one-liners. And there are about, I believe, 2000 to 2500 one-liners. Isn't that great? I mean, you have been provided with so many informative topics over here in this book, and then this one-liner is like even more better. So yeah, coming back to the book, you are going to get this book for 100 bucks, and again you can buy it from any online site of your choice, be it Flipkart, Amazon or Snapdeal. Also you can buy it offline from your any nearby store. So yeah, I believe this book is really very informative because you need to always be up to date regarding your current atmosphere, what is going on around you. And yeah, so if in case you really like this video, do share it with your friends and press the like button. And also you can comment down below if you have any queries, or even if you are not able to avail the book, we will get back to you as soon as possible. Also you can press the bell icon so that you don't miss any informative video from us. Thank you.